Experienced investor never wait for market correction to invest. They invest when they have money. But for novice investors, it is very difficult not to look at the past market swings and think, if only I had sold when it was up and if only I had bought when it was down. But wishing doesn't make you rich. I always gets questions and concerns like this. Is now a good time to invest? I think there's a possible market crash coming. I fear I am entering at the wrong time. A lot of experts are saying me that market crash is just around the corner. I am afraid that I am investing right before the market crash. I just want to do a good start, not a bad one. That's why I am waiting with my cash in hand. Should I just hold off until after a crash so that I can make the most of my money? Maybe I should wait till the correction happen, so I don't lose a part of my money. My fear had held me off for months, but market is now going up and I feel I am left out as I am holding cash. Should I wait until the market has bottomed out and then invest? All these questions are being asked because of fear. Fear of losing money. But you have to master the fear. All such fears are deadly and prevents you to invest and create wealth. When you are invested, the fear is so intense that it will drive you to panic and sell when you should be holding. The market is volatile. Crashes, pullbacks and corrections are all absolutely normal. These are all part of the process of wealth building. If we know crash is coming, why not wait to invest? Or, if we are already invested, why not sell, wait till the fall and then go back in? The answer is simply because we don't know when the crash will occur or end. Nobody does. To become a successful investor, we need to toughen up and cure some of the bad behaviors. To start, we need to understand few things about the stock market. A market crash myth. Market crashes are to be expected. Here are some of the major market crashes in India starting from 1979. 1979 to 1980, the Indian stock market crashed due to a spike in oil prices following the Iranian Revolution. 1987, the Indian stock market crashed following the Black Monday crash in the US. 1992, the Harshad Mehta scam led to a sharp decline in the Indian stock market. 1997, the Asian financial crisis led to a sharp decline in the Indian stock market. 2000, the dot-com bubble burst led to a sharp decline in the Indian stock market. 2008, the global financial crisis led to a sharp decline in the Indian stock market. 2011, the Indian stock market crashed due to concerns over high inflation, rising interest rates, and a slowdown in the global economy. 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic led to a sharp decline in the Indian stock market in March 2020. 2022, Russia-Ukraine war. Over the decades you will be investing, countless smaller correction or pullbacks will occur as well. There may be some major corrections too. How many future crash can you prevent? Not a single one. Learning to live with this reality is critical to successful investing over the long term. The market always recovers. The market always recovers. I mean always. If someday it really doesn't, then no investment will be safe. In 1979, Sensex started with 100 and in 2022 Sensex is at 60,000, means your Rs 100 becomes Rs 60,000, though you have passed through all the crashes. All you have had to do was toughen up and let your investment ride. Don't take any action when your investment is sinking in. We are not holding any individual stocks, we are holding index and definitely it will recover. Mr. J. L. Collins say everybody makes money when the market is rising. But what determines whether it will make you wealthy or leave you bleeding on the side of the road is what you do during the times it is collapsing. See, market always goes up. The market always goes up. Always. I know no one told you that before. But it's the truth. I am not saying it is a smooth ride. It's not. It is most often a wild and rocky road. But market always goes up. Not every year. Not every month. Not every week and certainly not every day. But take a moment and look again at the chart of the stock market. The trend is up though we saw many disaster. Please look at the monthly chart of Sensex. D. Future market crash and noise created by smart guys. The next 10, 20, 30 years will have just as many collapses, recessions and disasters as in the past. It's not possible to prevent any of them. Every time this happens, our investments will take a hit. Every time it will be scary as hell. Every time all the smart guys will be screaming, sell. And every time only those few with enough courage and nerve will stay the course and prosper. This is why we have to toughen up, learn to ignore the noise and ride out the storm, adding still more money to our investments as we go. In conclusion, there's a major market crash coming. And there'll be another after that. What wonderful buying opportunities there'll be. If you liked the content, please subscribe the channel.